How to pay with PaySafeCard on Brawl Stars on iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how to do that just in a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Brawl Stars, unlock your unlock your iPhone and open the Brawl Stars app, and you will see the main screen with the brawls, coins, and shop. Now after that, go to the shop. So next, tap on the shop button of the bottom of the screen. This is where you can buy gems, offers, and special skins. After that, choose what you want to buy. So scroll through the shop and tap on items or gem pack you want to buy. So after that, start the purchases. Now after you tap on the item, a payment window will open from the App Store. See, this is where you choose to pay or how to pay. Now after that, add PaySafeCard to Apple ID if not added yet. So how to do that? To use PaySafeCard, you must first buy an Apple gift card using PaySafeCard from the PaySafeCard website. Now then go to your iPhone settings. Now tap on your name out of the top, choose media and purchases, and after that tap on view account. Now tap add funds to Apple ID and enter the code from your Apple gift card. Now after that, pay with Apple ID balance. Now go back to Brawl Stars, tap buy again, and your Apple ID balance from the gift card will be used to pay. So this is how to pay with PaySafeCard on Brawl Stars on iPhone. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.